Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This time we're playing Five Nights at Candy's map. That's a weird name. And so we're here, and this is a creation map. I found it, and hope you like this video. And what is this? What is this right here? What is night vision? Oh my god, I don't know that. It's 3. What did I wrote? It's 3 o'clock, 3:22 p.m. Come on, I'm gonna break this. Okay, I gotta see if I Candy Cindy. What? So should we go? I chose my red because I break. What this is here? Exit. And what is happening? Exit. Welcome to Candy Burger and Fries. Sing and in the world. Rat what the? And so let's check this place out. I wanna know where's this? Oh, there's cake. It's kitchen, nice. Candy the cat. Cindy the cat. Oh, it's in door. Oh, let me see what's in this store. Sorry for the cake. Oh, this is lab. Blank the Orinos. Oh my god, am I go backwards or what? Oh no. What is this? A creeper head. Parts server room. Oh, okay. Should I take the creeper? Yeah, creeper head. Where's that creeper head, yo? I need that creeper head. I put it on the Oh my god. Oh, what is this up here? Oh, can we get up? Okay. Just the cheesy mess. No. I don't even get this. And I'll be like 0. Bye.